I'd like to hear from you as to what is your feedback and what are any suggestions that we can improve upon. So if you can just throw some light on that, that will be really helpful.
So even from my side, I think it's all positive, sir. Kian is very interested in your class. It's not like he is attending a math class. You know, the fear of math is completely out.
Okay.
He loves to attend your class. Even if I tell him one class he has to miss, like yesterday he was not well,
Achha.
you know, and I say one class miss, he'll still say, no, can I still put the video off and I'll attend, you know, I'll manage it.
Okay.
So that thing with children doing for, you know, even when they're not well, so I can come, okay, there's something really positive happening.
Thank you,
at
bro.
least
Thank you so
I
much.
think he's very, very enthused for that. And yes, as you said, very competitive. When you say those super solvers, the way he arranges everything and he's all ready, you know, like now there's a race and I have to give it my best. So that all I can see, and which is a very positive thing.
Very nice, very nice.
And even this rapid five and these, you know, these all things we've introduced, it's very good because the past concepts are forgotten. The children tend to forget because they are, you know, learning the current. So that again, then he goes to the chapter and he revises it.
Correct.
So I tell him this is the topic, so he'll at least revise the I notes. So that's a very nice thing. He after 4 months also again revision happening. So for the exam will be much. I was telling him this time that this time for IPM exams you all will be much more prepared because so many IITs, every alternate month an IIT, so many rapid fires and everything. So you should do very well this time. And I always tell one dialogue of yours which you told them last time ki you don't know the formula. It's like you're going in the battlefield without any weapons. So I keep telling you, remember sir said that to you, so you have to learn. Otherwise, don't go only for the exam. Otherwise, you have to learn it and then do. So that one dialogue I say, yes.
Very nice.
Because Kian is from IG board, you know, so I want him to get used to this board also.
Okay, so he's getting actually a variety actually.
Exactly, because what will happen is once he goes out of 10th, he is going to go to a normal board, a local board.
Correct.
So if he doesn't know, so I was telling him at least your maths concept should be strong for other boards also.
It's really pleasure to have students like Kian and parents like you. So
in fact, I tell him that if I had Nitin sir with me, Kian, I would have got full marks. Why are you all not getting, you know? So he keeps looking like, okay. So I'm like, when you have such a good mentor with you, you know, you all should take full benefit and, you know, give it your best. That's what I'm saying. They enjoy math, sir. That's the main thing, you know, that fear of math is gone. They enjoy math.
Absolutely. Chalo, have a great day, ma'am.
Yes, you too.
Welcome.